So let's review property condition ratings. Now, if you've ever looked at an appraisal report and maybe you're in the process of reading through your current appraisal report for either a fix and flip or for a rental loan that you're looking to get, you've probably noticed these C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and C6 rating indicators. Now, here's what that means. C1 is new construction, brand new property, no deferred maintenance whatsoever. C2 is no deferred maintenance, but it's not new construction. So that means, let's say, a brand new full gut rehab. You bought a property from a fix and flip investor who, didn't cut any corners and it's turnkey, right? C3 is limited deferred maintenance. So, overall the systems are basically operating at, actually newer than their actual age. So your AC, HVAC system, and roof, let's say, are performing better and holding up better than the age of the actual system. C4 is going to be minor deferred maintenance, and minor deferred maintenance would be normal wear and tear on the systems. The property is, it's fine, it's livable, it's gonna need some repairs soon and over the next few years, but nothing needs to be addressed immediately. C5 is going to be significant deferred maintenance, and what that means is there's a bunch of systems that you're going to need to repair and pretty soon. And then C6 is severe deferred maintenance, and that means that it is not safe to live in that property. You certainly can't get a rental loan for that property until it's renovated significantly. There might be safety concerns, structural concerns to address. So if you're looking to get a rental loan and your appraisal comes back at C3 or C4, then you're good. C2, C3, C4. If you're looking to get a rental loan, DSCR loan, and your appraisal comes back at C5 or C6, your lender is probably not going to be willing to lend to you under that program, and they'll require a bridge loan, otherwise known as a fix and flip loan or hard money loan, in order to repair those systems to get them to get the property to a condition that is appropriate for the rental loan program. And C5 and C6, that's going to be your rental loan, your fix and flip loan programs. And if you're a BRRRR investor, then you'll use the fix and flip loan, the bridge loan, and then refi it into a rental loan once it's renovated. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and be sure to like and subscribe to our videos and add some comments. Let us know what you would like to learn more about. We're here to serve you as a real estate investor, and we hope you have a great day.